Welcome back on Rati Educational Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share HEC Stipendium Hungarian Scholarship Program 2025-2026. Complete information, including eligibility criteria, scholarship coverage, how to apply, and required documents. So here we go. I will share the details about Stipendium Hungarian Scholarship Program, scholarship types, eligibility criteria, non-eligibility, ineligibility, financial coverage, available programs, how to apply, application documents, and additional instructions for PhD candidates. So here we go. The Higher Education Commission HEC invites applications from Pakistani HEC nationals for the Stipendium Hungarian Scholarship Program 2025-2026, launched by the Hungarian government for bachelor's, one-tier master's, and PhD studies. Stipendium Hungarian scholarships are available for Pakistani students fulfilling basic eligibility criteria in specified disciplines and other requirements of Hungarian universities under the following programs: bachelor's degree, one-tier master's degree, and PhD degree. Eligibility criteria: applicant must be a citizen of Pakistan or HEC. Applicants enrolled in the last year of their existing study program, degrees, and result awaiting candidates are allowed to apply. For bachelor's, undergraduate programs, and one-tier master's program including DVM, DPharm, medicine, dentistry, etc., applicants must have completed HSSC intermediate or equivalent qualification before August 1, 2025. In case of failure of submission of final degree and transcript on this website portal before August 1, 2025, candidates will be cancelled. For master's postgraduate programs, applicants must have completed 16 years bachelor's or equivalent degree before August 1, 2025. In case of failure of submission and final degree and transcript on official portal before 1st August 2025, candidates will be cancelled. For PhD programs, applicants must have completed master's, MS, or MPhil degree or equivalent before August 1, 2025. In case of failure of submission of final degree and transcript on Hungarian official portal before August 1, 2025, candidates will be cancelled. The applicants must fill all the fields of the application, Hungary application form and HEC application form, and no column or field should be left unfilled. You have to apply from both websites, on HEC website and also on Hungary website. Attestation of educational documents is not required at the initial stage of the process. After the applicant has been nominated, certificates, transcripts, degrees to be attached must be attested by the attesting authorities such as Interboard Coordination Committee and Higher Education Commission. Equivalence of O and A level from IBCC is mandatory for bachelor's, undergraduate programs, and one-tier master's degree. Some Hungarian universities may require IELTS or TOEFL scores, where most of the institutions require English proficiency certificates for the admissions attained from your respected college or universities. All awarded applicants must submit medical certificate issued not earlier than November 1, 2024 of satisfactory health condition. A written certificate from a physician to prove that the applicant does not have the following illness: AIDS, hepatitis A, B, C, or any other epidemic conditions. Attachment of medical certificate can be obtained from the TPF application website. I will provide the link in the description box. In case of final selection, applicants will have to submit a bond on legal paper of HEC that he or she will not change discipline after final award of a scholarship and immediately after completion of his or her degree, he or she will return to Pakistan to serve the country for a period as prescribed by the HEC for a period of 5 years. In case of failure to do so, HEC reserves the right to recover from candidates or his or her guarantor a penalty amount as prescribed decided by Higher Education Commission. Applicants must fulfill all other requirements set by the host Hungarian University or Tempus Public Foundation, Higher Education Commission of Pakistan. All applicants are required to provide HEC or USA test scores. Applicants must have to obtain a minimum score of 50% out of total marks in HEC or USA test. The test validity for HEC is 2 years and USA for 1 year. For this scholarship, applicants must have already obtained a valid HEC score obtained on or after 15th January 2023 or USA scores obtained on or after 15th January 2024. Without providing a minimum HEC or USA test scores, minimum scores of 50% out of total marks, applicants will not be considered for further process. Those interested applicants who are yet to take HEC or USA test may register for the same by visiting ETC website. Note 1. It is the sole responsibility of the students applying for any professional degree, medical, engineering, nursing, architecture, law, veterinary, medicine, technology, etc. to confirm its accreditation from the respective councils including Pakistan Medical and Dental Council, Pakistan Engineering Council, Pakistan Nursing Council, Pakistan Council for Architects and Town Planners, Pakistan Bar Council, Pakistan Veterinary Medical Council, Pakistan Pharmacy Council, etc. Note 2. As per Pakistan Engineering Council, undergraduate engineering programs of the University of Debrecen and Budapest University of Technology and Economies are recognized by the Pakistan Engineering Council. However, undergraduate engineering programs of the remaining HEIs are likely to be recognized within due course of the time, and applicants considering these universities may apply on their own responsibility. So I will suggest you to apply in these universities, Debrecen University and Budapest University. Note 3. Applicants applying for medical, dental fields are required to follow the updated instructions provided by the Pakistan Medical and Dental Council regarding admissions in foreign institutions. Non-eligibility or ineligibility. Applicants will not be considered in the following cases: Pakistanis having dual citizenship, any information misrepresented by the applicants, even if the misrepresentation is pointed out after the scholarship is awarded. HEC reserves the rights to cancel, disqualify the applicants for a scholarship. Applicants born after 31st August 2007 are not eligible for the applications of the scholarship. Applicants must obtain 18 years of age on or before 31st August 2025. I have already uploaded different past papers, test preparation for PPSC, SPSC, FPSC, KPSC and BPSC. Also different testing service papers. So if you wishes to appear in any of the tests, just visit Rati Educational Academy YouTube channel. Financial coverage. Tuition fees are covered by Tempus Public Foundation. Accommodation and health funding provisions are only a contribution to the living expenses. Remember, of the scholarship holders, it means that it does not fully cover all the costs of living, and the students need to add their own financial resources in order to cover all living expenses in Hungary. Visit link for further details. Provision covered by the scholarship: bachelor's, master's, one-tier master's and non-degree programs, tuition-free education, exemptions from the payment of tuition fee, accommodation contribution, free dormitory place or a contribution of HUF 40,000 per month or €100 to accommodation costs for the whole duration of the scholarship period. Please note that if the student does not live in a dormitory, the HUF 40,000 per month is a contribution to the rental costs. And bigger cities, especially in the capital city, the contribution would not cover the full amount of rental costs. Monthly stipend, non-degree, bachelor's or master's and one-tier master's level monthly amount of HUF 43,700 or 110 euro contribution to the living expenses in Hungary for 12 months a year until the completion of studies. Medical insurance, health care services according to the relevant Hungarian legislation, and supplementary medical insurance for up to HUF 65,000 a year per person. For doctoral programs, PhD programs, tuition-free education, exemption from the payment of tuition fee, accommodation and contribution, free dormitory place or a contribution of HUF 40,000 per month, same as of bachelor's. Doctoral programs, monthly stipend, doctoral level according to the current Hungarian legislation, the monthly amount of scholarship is HUF 140,000 and 350 euros for the first phase of education for semester, and HUF 180,000 and 450 euros for the second phase of 4 semester for 12 months a year until completion of studies. So this is a good amount for stipend. For PhD candidates, medical insurance is per the same as of bachelor's. Please bear in mind that these provisions are only a contribution to the living expenses of the scholarship holders. It means that it does not fully cover all the costs of living, and the students need to add their own financial resources in order to cover all living expenses in Hungary. All applicants are highly advised to check the expected living expenses both in Hungary and in the city that they wish to live in before applying. Please don't check our costs of living calculator by clicking here. This the link will provide you complete details about costs, living expenses. All applicants are advised to check the expected living expenses both in Hungary and in the city that they wish to live in before applying. Please do check cost of living calculator below. I will provide this link in the description box. Available programs, applicants are eligible to apply for the scholarship types, and specified study fields are defined by Higher Education Commission and that are also determined in the educational cooperation programs in effect between Hungary and the sending partner Higher Education Commission of Pakistan. Please visit this website for more information about all degree programs and fields of study. However, applicants are instructed to apply only against specific degree programs and in specified study fields, major subjects defined by Higher Education Commission. HEC approved study fields can be found on this website. I will provide it also. Applicants' merit will be determined based on their first choice program. After reaching Hungary, change of study field to higher merit discipline is not allowed. I have already uploaded test sample paper and past papers and also test preparation material for these universities in Pakistan. If you wishes to appear in any of this university, just visit Rati Educational Academy YouTube channel. Thank you. Stay connected. Now comes how to apply. Applicants are mandatorily required to submit online application at the Hungarian website and HEC website. Failure to submit online application forms on both websites mentioned at step 1 and step 2 will not be considered for further processing. Hard copies of applications and other documents are not required at initial stage. However, applicants are required to keep record of all the submitted documents along with printed copies of both application forms submitted online at HEC website and Hungarian website. At a later stage of the selection process, applicants will be required to submit hard copies, including online application forms submitted at HEC portal and Hungarian website. along with attested photocopies of all the original documents, original medical certificate, and police clearance certificate also need to be submitted at later stages of application process, not necessary at the initial stage. Step 1. Tempus Public Foundation Hungarian site online applications. All applicants shall be submitted through the online application systems of Tempus Public Foundation Hungary. The application guideline can be found at this website. I will provide this in the description box as well, don't worry. After registration, the applicants are able to access the application surface and upload the required documents. Please note that no application will be accepted without the online submission and other after deadline. After applying online, gets its printed copies for record. To apply online, please visit this website. Step 2. HEC online application. Apply online at scholarships.hec.gov.pk/. After registering and completion your profile, please select Hungarian scholarship program. Once submitted, the HEC application form cannot be edited, remember, or amended. Therefore, make sure to complete all relevant fields and submit the application by reviewing carefully. After submission of the application, get its printed copy to be signed by applicant. HEC online application portal shall close on January 15th, 2025, 1600 hours Pakistani Standard Time. Before applying, kindly update your HEC profile with latest email, cell number and updated information. You are advised to complete and submit your application as soon as possible, as the online application system will be very busy in the days leading up to the application deadline. Exactly. After successful submission of the application at HEC portal, return printed copies application form signed by yourself. Submission of online application form at these both websites portals are mandatory. In case of non-submission of forms or any of the above two portals, candidates will be not considered. All the following documents compulsory and need to be submitted to the online Stipendium Hungarian application system by all applicants until 15th January, 16 hours, except for a statement of supervisor if required by the proposed doctoral schools, which must be submitted until 15th March 2025, and medical certificate which must be submitted by the nominated applicants only until 15th April 2025 on Hungarian portal. Please note that only files with maximum size of 4 MB can be uploaded in the system. Potential applicants enrolled in their existing study programs and waiting results candidates are allowed to apply, subject submission of final degrees and transcripts on this website before August 1, 2025. In case of failure submission of required documents as per prescribed requirements, candidates of applicants may be cancelled. Online application form. Applicants must fill out both HEC Hungarian applications forms available on the websites. The applicants must fill out and save all requested information on the online application form in English language. A recent photo of application taken not earlier than 2 years before the submission of application. Minimum 1 page typed with Times New Roman 12-point font size. Letter written in the language of the selected study programs are in Hungarian. Proof of language proficiency and their translations in language of selected study programs are in Hungarian. Scanned copy of the original proof of language proficiency with minimum level of determined by the host institutions and their translations. In case the student has completed his or her a previous level of studies in the language of selected study programs, a proof can be uploaded about the fact that the language of education was the same as the language of the study program that the applicant is now applying for. Translations only have to attached if the copy of the original documents is not in the language of the selected study program. Copy of the original transcripts of records regarding all the academic semesters or schools years completed during previous studies in the highest level of education that the students have participated in. Translations only have to be attached if the copy of original documents is not in the language of the selected study program. Medical certificate. Scanned copy of medical certificate of satisfactory health conditions issued not earlier than before 15th November 2023. Medical certificate is mandatory for the applicants and must be submitted until 15th April 2025 on Tempus Public Education Foundation portal. Please use the following form. I will provide the picture or a short video on shorts of YouTube. Certificates have to be issued and signed by the physicians to declare medical conditions of the applicant. Scholarship holders will take part in medical examination organized by the universities upon the arrival. Don't forget. Copy of passport, acceptance of a statement for application in Tempus Public Foundation Hungary online system. All applicants need to accept the statement of application. The statement can only be accepted in the online system, therefore scanned and signed copies should not be uploaded. The statement appeared in the online application system after registration. All applicants need to click on accepting it in order to be able to submit their applications. Note: all documents that cannot be obtained in the language of the selected study programs or in Hungarian have to be translated, and the translations have to be submitted as well as copy of original document. Additional instructions, especially for doctoral PhD candidates. Applicants applying for doctoral level PhD need to upload the following documents. All the following documents are compulsory and need to be submitted online until January 15th, 2024. First of all, research plan. Minimum 2 pages typed with Times New Roman 12-point font size letters written in the language of the selected study program. The work plan must indicate the resource used and document is checked by the universities for plagiarism. Letter of recommendation. A signed letter of recommendations from the applicant's former or current academic tutor or supervisor who has a scientific degree and has insights into the professional work of the applicants. The letter of recommendations must be written in the language of the selected study program or in Hungarian, don't forget. Statement of supervisor if required by the proposed doctoral school. A statement by the supervisor at the proposed host institutions declaring that a supervisor undertakes to supervise the students' work within the doctoral program if required by the doctoral school. HEC may conduct tests or interviews of initially shortlisted candidates. Incomplete applications or applications received after due date will not be accepted. The recommendation of a nominating agency, including only submitted mode applications, will be entertained. Result awaiting candidates and previous HEC nominees of the scholarships may also apply afresh subject to eligibility criteria, but final degrees and transcripts must be submitted before August 1, 2025. Candidates must note that once he or she is nominated by HEC or finally selected by Tempus Public Foundation Hungary, any request for change of subject, discipline or study program made by him or her shall not be entertained. In any case, HEC will not issue any NOC for change of discipline. If a candidate withdraws himself or herself from the scholarship after the final award, he or she shall be liable to disciplinary actions, including ban of certain period from applying to any foreign funded HEC Government of Pakistan scholarship programs. Applicants should note that all nominations from Pakistan will be routed through HEC. The deadline for submitting the complete application is January 15, 2025, 1600 hours Pakistan Standard Time. for admission information, scholarship awareness, entry test preparation, and job preparation. Subscribe Rati Educational Academy YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, TikTok, and WhatsApp. Thank you.